Today I'd like to introduce you to our range of skin perfecting tonics. Unlike a toner, these tonics work to gently and efficiently exfoliate the skin, taking your regime to a whole new level. Let's take a quick look at how to use them. There's a high chance you've heard of liquid gold, our most popular product, having achieved cult status right around the world. It's also part of the ultimate lazy girl nighttime routine for complexion perfection, featuring 5% glycolic acid to break down the glue which binds dead skin cells together. The secret to its efficacy and amazing results lies in the low pH. To use liquid gold, first double cleanse with a pH balanced cleanser. Dispense liquid gold onto a cotton round and swipe it over your face, neck and décolletage. Similar to liquid gold, instant facial also contains 5% glycolic acid, but it has a higher pH and also includes calming botanicals, making it ideal for younger skins and those who are new to active ingredients. You can even use it in the morning. Using instant facial is very similar to liquid gold. After you've cleansed, dispense it onto a cotton pad and swipe over your skin. Clear Skin Tonic contains 2% salicylic acid, which can penetrate deep within the pore to help clear out lumpy, bumpy acne. Clear Skin Tonic also contains natural antibacterials, eucalyptus and tea tree, which help to stop the spread of acne bacteria. It has all your bases covered if you're suffering from acne. After you've cleansed, dispense the tonic onto a cotton round and wipe it over your skin, again avoiding the delicate eye and lip area. You can also use this anywhere else on your body you may be experiencing breakouts, such as your back and arms. It is essential you use SPF every morning when using exfoliating tonics. As you can see, these three amazing tonics are super simple to use, but the results and benefits are quite the opposite. Discover more about them all at alphah.com.